this is Leo. Hi, friends. Leo loves adventure and sometimes things happen. Wow, a storybook. Wow, glue time.
Wow, the glue is moving!
Giggle, giggle!
A glue monster! You're friendly!
Giggle, giggle!
Dance, vodka, boom.
Help, Teddy!
What's going on here? Let's get you cleaned up.
There we go. Bye-bye! Yay! My hands are free! Great job, Leo!
Less glue next time.
That was a silly adventure!
And we'll get something new. Bien, sac in there.
Use glue carefully.
See you, bye-bye.